Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. This video I will show you how to clear Google Maps search history. So let's have a look now. Start by opening Google Map. Now go to the top right and click on your profile icon. Then go down and click on settings. A menu will appear from here. Find and select map history. I scroll down a bit and here it is. Click on it. Now we got a few different options here. If you click on this delete icon, here you will get some options. If you want to delete today's history, then click delete today, or you can click on delete all time. It's gonna clear all of your map history. Click delete again. It says the deletion is complete. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.